Hi, I'm Dave Johnson, editor of eHow's Tech Channel, and let me show you how to set up a picture password in Windows 8. This is one of the coolest, that's awesome kind of features in Windows 8 because you can actually gain access to your machine just by tapping on the screen in some sequence that only you and your computer know about. And don't worry, it still works with the mouse. Even if you don't have a touch device like a Microsoft Surface, you can use the mouse to click around and do the same sort of thing. It's really cool, so let me show you how to do it. First of all, you're going to move the mouse to the upper right corner and slide it down, and what you see is the charms bar. The very bottom charm says Settings, so click on that. And then at the bottom of the screen you should see Change PC Settings. Click that as well. This is where we can change a lot of things. It's like a control panel for the modern experience in Windows 8. So I'm going to click on Users, and then here in the middle there's an entry called Create a Picture Password. So I'm going to click on it, and the first thing I have to do is enter my password so it knows I'm really me. And I'll go ahead and do that. After you enter your password, you have to choose the picture over here on the left-hand side that you want to feature in your password setting. And I love my dog Topher, so I'm going to go ahead and pick him. And this can be a picture that you have stored on your computer or on a SkyDrive account. You have a lot of options. So now over here it says, how's this look? You can use this picture or choose a new one. I'm going to use this picture. And then you need to enter 3 taps or swipes or gestures that indicate how you want to interact with the picture. I'm going to go ahead and use touch rather than a mouse in this case. So I'm going to tap Topher's eyes and draw a circle around his head. And then it wants you to confirm it, so you're going to do the same thing again. And it says, congratulations, you're good. Click Finish. And so now we've set it up. Let me show you what that looks like. And I'll lock my computer. So now I can swipe up, I get to Topher. It wants me to enter I can tap switch to password and type the password in, or I can just repeat that sequence of gestures and I'm in. And even if my gestures are a little different, I don't have to tap pixel perfect in the same places every time, it still recognizes it and works fine. That said, it can be a little tricky to do it with a mouse. So if you do have a mouse and keyboard Windows 8 machine, my recommendation is don't do the picture password, but instead create a pin. So there's an entry right here that says create a pin. And if you do that, instead of typing a long password, you can just set up a 4-letter pin or 4-number pin and enter your computer very easily that way instead.